Welcome to my channel, children. Today I am here with the questions related with the geometry. It is a competitive type questions for each and every student who are going to attend different types of competitions in India. This is the right angle triangle. एक समकोणिक त्रिभुज है. समकोणिक इसलिए only some two angles are given to us. By virtue, it will third angle will be equal to 90. We are given only two angles. 75 and 15. So automatically this will become 90 degree. So this becomes the right angle triangle. A, B and C. These are the points. We are giving the hypotenuse. Only hypotenuse is given to us. This is equal to 4 unit. ये दे रखा है. To find the area of the triangle. एरिया ऑफ द ट्रायंगल निकालना है. इसके लिए बहुत आसान है. 15 देखते ही हमें एक बात याद आनी चाहिए कि साइन ऑफ 15 और कॉस ऑफ 15 की वैल्यूज पता होनी चाहिए. जनरली जो फॉर्मूला है एज पर द टेक्नोलॉजी साइन ऑफ 50 डिग्री दिस कैन बी रिटन एज रूट ऑफ 6 प्लस रूट ऑफ 2 अपॉन h. Sin of 15 is here. In front of this will be the smallest. Okay. This will be the smallest. This should be minus. Okay. Sin of 15 is equal to AC upon hypotenuse. AC upon her. This will be smallest. This will be the biggest one. And cos of 75, cos of 15, that can be written as root of 16, 6 plus root of 2 upon, this is 4. This is the mathematical values of sin 15 and sin cos 15. ये हमें पता होनी चाहिए. ये 15 डिग्री इसका सबसे वाला स्मॉल वाला हिस्सा होगा तो इसकी वैल्यू रूट 6 माइनस रूट 2 अपॉन 4 होती है. और साइन 15 बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज होता है तो बेस जो होगी वो दिस इज रूट 6 अपॉन प्लस रूट 2 अपॉन 4 होती है. जिसको हम एज पर दिस फॉर्मूला वी कैन राइट इट साइन 15 एज AC upon CB. It means AC, this can be written as CB into root of 6 minus root of 2 upon 4. And CB is nothing, we are giving 4 is equal to 4 into root of 6 minus root of 2 upon 4. That get cancelled. It will simply root of 6 minus root of 2. AC will be equal to root of 6 minus root of 2. Okay. Now AB can be obtained by cos of 15. Cos of 15 we are given cos of 15 is equal to होता है root of 6 plus root of 2 upon AC upon hypotenuse CB upon 4. Sorry, as per formula is upon 4. This is given to us. ये होता है. And as per the diagram हम लिख सकते हैं cos of 15 is equal to AB upon AC is equal to root of 6 plus root of 2 upon 4. Root of 6 plus root of 2 upon 4. It means, but AC is equal to what? AC is already given to us equal to 4, which is hypotenuse, into root of 6 plus root of 2 upon 4. 4 would get cancelled. It means AB will be equal to root of 6 plus root of 2. This will be noted by us. यदि दो चीजें हमें पता चल गई. This is the value of AC and this is the value of AB. Now area is equal to, which is we have to find out the area. Area can be obtained. Area will be equal to of the triangle ABC. This will be equal to 1 by 2 AB into AC. It is root 6 plus root 2 into root 6 minus root 2 multiple upon 2, and root 6 minus root 2 a plus b into a minus b, it means it will be 6 minus 2 by 2, that is 6 minus 2 by 2, that is 4 by 2 is equal to 2. This is the answer. It means area will be equal to 2 unit. This is the answer. It was easy answer, but this should be always kept in your mind. ये दो values should be noted. Note करिए. It will be आगे भी काम आएंगी. Sin of 15. This can be written as root of 6 plus minus root of 2 upon 4, and cos of 15. This will be root of 6 plus root 2 upon 4. Okay. For this special triangle where hypotenuse is this, the area will be equal to 2. Not always, हमेशा नहीं होएगा. For that particular triangle in which two angles are 15 and 75, then hypotenuse is equal to 4, then we can find the area is equal to only 2 units. ठीक है, वो स्पेशल ट्राइंगल जिसके अंदर समकोणीय त्रिभुज है, दो त्रिभुज एंगल दे रखे 15 और 75 के, तो नेचुरल तीसरा 90 डिग्री का होगा. अगर उसका हाइपोटेनस 4 डिग्री हो जाए, 4 यूनिट हो जाता है, तब उसका जो एरिया होता है वो 2 यूनिट आता है. ओके, दिस आर स्पेशल क्वेश्चन, गुड क्वेश्चंस. कीप इन टच विद मी. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग my video, and don't forget to give me like and subscribe. Only give me the thumbs up also, subscribe also. Thank you. Good night, good luck.